What I'm about to show you is how we truly created these great looking Grecian columns. And how we created this is we used 1-inch foam. Now you can get this foam at any home improvement store. And again, it's only 1 inch thick. When you do get it from the home improvement store, it has plastic on the front and on the back. Very, very important that you pull the plastic off. What we had is a transparency. We projected our column up on our foam. We traced it out with charcoal first. Okay, we traced it out with charcoal first, and then after that we ghost it. Now the reason for that is because I wanted the lines very, very straight. So we did the ghosting with a rag and went back over with a magic marker with a ruler. That way our line stayed nice and straight. After we did that, then we took our hot knife and we cut this out, and we had a great looking column. We painted it white, and then we came in here with 2 different shades of blue and gave it some depth and a little bit of shadow. And you can see how awesome it really looks. Okay, now here comes the cool part. How do we make these things stand? What we did is we took boxes, okay, and you can use recycled boxes, whatever you can find or you can buy. But what we used is this is 4-inch by 14-inch by 69 inches high. What we used great stuff, insulation foam. And what we did is just did a bead all the way down one side and up the other. When you're setting it up, make sure the bottom of the box is flush with the bottom of the column. Now you're wondering, well, okay, it'll stand a little bit, but how's it really going to be secure? Well, we have our same box right here that we tape the ends off, and we cut 14 inches off the end of each box. So we have a 14 by 14 inch box. Use packing tape to tape down the lids. Use a hot glue gun. Threw the hot glue gun back in there, put it down on top, held it nice and tight, and look at this. We have instant stand for a column. Now if you have a little bit of breeze coming through your area and it doesn't feel too secure, the back of this is open, so you can go ahead and put a brick or 2 or some rocks inside there. That way it won't tip over at all for you. Well, you guys know me, I'm all about the details. So after we got our column painted, we got our box and our supports in the back are ready to go, but we're still not finished yet. What we did is we hunted around the church and we found this beautiful greenery, some stuff on the bottom, and you can see how it just gives this column some life. And of course what we did is we have our little spot here. Now these are just your ordinary spots that you can buy at your home improvement store. We plugged in that we hide the cords within the greenery, kind of run it in the back. You can see how it gives us this beautiful uplighting look and feel. And again,